Hi everyone, I'd like to go over what was missing from my Huztl Farmertec MS660 kit. There's 5mm self-locking nuts for the bar spikes. There's this spacer and that's the part number for that, and this thrust pad. These two parts go on the chain adjuster. The thrust pad is part number 16 there, and the support part number 19. These diagrams, you'd have to go to this website and manually type in the address up to, you can stop at Magnum and it'll bring up these diagrams. The DIY spare parts no longer has direct links to these diagrams, exploded view diagrams with the part numbers and descriptions. Another thing that didn't come with the kit was this reflective foil that goes under the muffler. And one other thing I wanted to point out, that it appears I'm leaking oil directly right from might be coming. Hard to tell at the moment. I thought it was coming through from the oil adjuster screw. I don't know if you can see it in there. That's where I thought it was coming from. But I'll have to do a little diagnosing. Might be coming from the oil pump itself. But that's what I was missing. Those nuts go for the spikes. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this, oh, and one other thing. The name plates. And obviously it's not a still, but it's a lot quicker than ordering from China for the what they supply, or supposed to have supplied. Thanks for watching.